Hey everyone, and welcome to EverlightCMS. By now you should have gotten an email, and in that email you'll have your current website address, which I've actually loaded mine right here. So you'll have your initial website with its kind of base data. You also have a link for the EverlightCMS platform where you're going to manage your site with a username and password. So I'm actually going to go ahead and log in here. And once I get logged in, I'm going to show you some of the initial setup that you need to perform under your site settings. Now we have a whole video series which you're going to find in our quick start guide that kind of covers all these areas of managing your website. But at first what we want to do is go ahead and get some of these site settings taken care of. So you're going to want to go ahead, our organization name is Love Ministries. So go ahead and put your organization name here. Fill in your email. This will be used for a lot of the automated contact forms on the site. This is the email address that it's going to come to. And then your phone number if anyone needs to call. Some of these numbers are shown on some of the donation forms and some different mailings that go out. You're also going to want to get your organization address info filled out correctly, as that's on the receipts for the donations. And then we have our payment gateway info. Now we actually have a full video that shows you how to connect with Stripe here, which is later in the video series, to set up your payment processor. And then as far as your PayPal payments, all you have to do is change this to enabled and type in your PayPal address there that you'd like to accept payments to, and then that'll automatically work on the site. At any time you can click the update button here, the update item, and it'll save the settings as you go. The social network info, you want to go ahead, if you have a Twitter username, just type that in there exactly how you would when you sign in. And then your Facebook ID. You're going to actually want to use your Facebook ID number, which I can actually add a video you can see in the series on how to get your Facebook ID number. The default settings here for page title, description, and keywords is for SEO purposes, so you want to go ahead and just put in your organization name for each of these. You can fill it out how you'd like, but an easy way is just to stick that information in there. Now the meta code, this is code that's stuck at the top of the website. Sometimes sites give you meta code to perform verifications. This is a quick place that you can just paste those codes that people give you in if that occurs, and it'll put it on your website. The tracking code, this is often used by Google. If you're using Google Analytics or anything like that, they're going to give you a script and they're going to tell you to put that on your website. What you'll do is you'll just paste that into this box here and click update, and you'll be good to go. Right now we currently house the logo right here. So basically your logo file, you're just going to click choose file, select your logo, and then click update item, and then your new logo will upload to the site. Your podcast settings, which you can make this whatever you like as well. This is what will show up on your feed, and then we have a podcast image which works just like the logo. You can go ahead and upload that and update item, and you get your podcast image good to go. When you're done making changes, just make sure that you click update item here and that the site settings were successfully updated. And next we're going to move on to basic pages and how to do some site updates. If you have any questions, just contact us at hello@everlightcms.com.